Oh gosh. Hey everybody. Special hail edition. Are you coming out? Are you staying? Oh. Special hail edition of Colorado Giants. So this is not snow in the middle of June. This is hail. Lots and lots of hail. Lots and lots and lots of hail. Most about the size of grapes, intermingled with some golf balls. At one point we were getting some small baseball size. Oh man, gourds or sunflowers are kind of okay. Oh no, the garden looks terrible. Let's look at that. Looks like we're kind of just in the, oh Jesus, criminally. That just dropped in the puddle. It's a golf ball. I have my umbrella somewhat protecting me. Oh. Ooh, there's still some big ones falling. I might go back inside. Oh man. Oh, look, my pumpkins are shredded. Look at the peppers. Shredded, pumpkins are shredded. Gosh dang it. Well, the hail's starting to come back down. Ooh, that's a good one. Checking on the screen house, and I might just hide in the screen house. How we doing? How we doing? Looks good. Looks good. What I'm gonna do is get my hoe. Yeah. Need a walking board like right there. Kind of break those up a little bit, maybe. This is the only real bad one. This one, not too bad. Yeah. Well, this is boring TV. Catastrophic hailstorm. Knock on wood this far. Everything looks okay inside here. Got some work to do.